Elaine here with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Crafting With You bundle. This is my hug card from the Crafting With You bundle. It has all of these fun dies that go with the stamp set. So we've got the basket that I used and the yarn, and then there's little spools of thread that you can cut out. You can cut out the spool and then you can cut out the thread. So that's super, super cute. You could put it in a basket. You've got the ruler, you've got the paper trimmer, you even have the die cutting machine, sewing machine, all kinds of fun crafts, including this hoop too. So super fun bundle. So I started off with a thick piece of basic white, a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of gorgeous grape, and a 5 1/8 piece by 3 7/8 piece of basic white. So I'm just going to use some of the paper stacks. This is the Regal's paper stack, and it has all these fun patterns. And so I've cut out one that is about 5 1/4 by 1 inch. And then this one is about 5 and 1 inch. I'm going to use the Banners Pick-a-Punch to cut the end to make it look like a banner on both of these strips. And I'm just going to add these to the card. You can place the banner where you want it, and if it's too long, you can just trim it off. All right, now I'm gonna stamp my sentiment in Gorgeous Grape, sending you a handmade hug. And I'm gonna add a couple of these super cute hearts. Now I'm going to stamp the basket in Crumb Cake and the yarn in Gorgeous Grape. And I'm going to cut these out with the dies. So we've got this die, and then we've got the basket die right there. And then I will get this. And then I've already cut out the spools of thread. So I'll show you that I just glue it down. And there is my handmade hug card using the Crafting With You bundle. You can receive this card kit for free when you purchase the Crafting With You bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Then just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I would love to send it right out to you.